Hi, everyone, and welcome to the ATS Inventory webinar. My name is Andrew Callahan, and I'm joined by my colleague Nick Fakula from Booz Allen in support of the Alternative Transportation System Lifecycle Asset Management team.
ATSLM, National Park Service, Agenda.
Today, we're going to go over all the steps involved with the ATS inventory review effort. So I'll provide some background on the effort as well as go over the SharePoint, the repository for all the files and resources for this effort. And Nick will go through the ATS inventory workbook itself, the instructions, and go over a demonstration of a system review using a parks ATS as an example.
ATSs consist of both real property, FMSS, and fleet, FBMS.
So a bit about the background and driving factors for the ASLAM project. The overall goal is to provide for consistent ATS management, performance tracking, and reporting in alignment with asset management principles. And so a foundational step towards that is identifying the real property assets in FMSS. This will allow for understanding of the inventory condition as well as maintenance needs for the program.
FMSS inventory solution, new location template.
So the ultimate goal of this effort is to tag or identify ATS supporting real property in FMSS. There's a new field on the specifications template in FMSS to identify such inventory. However, WASO will conduct a batch update in the system to tag all the assets on behalf of parks that participate in this process and submit their list of ATS supporting assets via the Excel workbook provided. So no additional data updates will be needed beyond that.
ATS assets, signs and maps for bus stops and system info.
Okay, so a little more background on what we mean by ATS supporting assets. So for a typical shuttle style system, common examples include the bus stops, the brake pads, signs, and ITS that altogether support the transit system itself. And we'll go into more detail and resources on how to review your park's inventory for these assets.